Imagine walking through a desert and hearing a mysterious symphony arise from beneath your feet. Welcome to the world of singing sands. Found in only a few deserts around the globe, these sands produce musical sounds when they move. The secret? Perfectly round grains of sand flowing over one another, creating friction and vibrations. In some places, it sounds like a deep hum, in others, a high-pitched whistle. Fascinatingly, the pitch and volume change with humidity levels and grain size. Local legends often attributed these sounds to mythical creatures or spirits. Scientists have been studying singing sands to unlock their secrets and understand the phenomena better. So, next time you're in a desert, listen closely. You might just hear the sands sing their ancient song.